welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. You guys, today I am going to show you guys some of my favorite hairstyles for this length of hair. Honestly, I know it's not the shortest hair in the world, and I don't want to say short hair because to some people this is pretty long. To me, it is quite short because I used to have long hair. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let's jump straight to it.
For hairstyle number 1, I have parted my hair through the center, and as you can see, for the most part my hair is pretty straight, but there are some areas where I do get a natural wave, so I just use my straightener to go over those areas and make sure that my hair is super straight. I love this hairstyle because it's very chic and super easy. For hairstyle number 2, this is super easy as well. I just spray some hairspray in the front area because I have a lot of baby hairs. Then I take my comb and I take a little section and put it behind my ear. And there you go, a different hairstyle within minutes. If you feel like your hair will come undone, just go ahead and secure with some bobby pins like I will do here. And there you have it, super quick. For the third hairstyle, I am going to part my hair through the side and calm those little hairs down. Then taking the side with less hair, I'm just going to tuck it behind my ear, and then with a bobby pin, just secure it. I will then add a little hairspray and straighten basically the front of my hair because the hairs were kind of sticking out straight out. And there you have it. For the fourth hairstyle, I have parted my hair through the middle, and I'm taking a section like this, and then with a clip I'm just going to secure it. Taking small sections and with my straightener creating this crimped look. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating half a circle downward, half a circle upward, and repeating this motion until I get to the end of each strand. And I've extended this part of the video so you can really see my motion because maybe my explanation is not the best, but you guys get it. And this is the finished product. Also, if you take a little section from the front of your hair and tuck it behind your ear, it looks pretty cute as well.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope that you found this little tutorial useful. I had lots of fun sharing with you guys some of my favorite short hairstyles, mainly straight. But if your hair is curly and you want to see more curly short hairstyles, I would be more than happy to make a video for you guys. So let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit the like button if you guys truly enjoyed this little tutorial or you found it useful. I'll see you guys in my next video.